Welcome to my...
Start it. Where's my sister's mommy?
There you go.
This one first. Mommy, is your pretty?
You want me to tie your hair first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And
Hi guys, help me open. Help me open, please, mommy. Help me open it first, please. Please, mommy.
okay, I'll help you. How about this one first?
No, I don't want this one first.
Why?
Why is so not faster? But I don't want this one.
Oh, here you go.
Not this one. Give up. Wala yun.
Camera.
Sabi lang, ano yan?
What is that ba? What are those toys?
Daddy, what? My heart, for me, my heart, my heart, for me, my heart, for me, my heart. Open it, please.
Oh, what's this ba? Colorful black bodies. Ala, it's design lang.
Open it, mommy. Please, mommy, open it.
May I borrow your scissors?
Okay. My scissors. My empty room. My empty room. My empty room.
Oh, put here the puzzle piece.
Empty room. My empty room.
Ay, it comes with cards.
Therapy.
Oh, no, don't cut this.
Mommy.
There.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Oh, look at this! It's a rabbit.
N,
Robot. Oh, robot. Di pala rabbit.
Masaan ang robot? Where's a robot? Masaan? Pet puppy. Pet puppy. Honey. Honey. Pet puppy. Honey bun bunny. Let's go. Ayoko. Yan. Hindi po ito. Kahit hindi po ito.
I put back here.
Ito muna. Ang fish, mommy.
I'll help you clean up.
ako. Excited na ako. Kasi po, ang vaccine ako. Kasi ang vaccine kami, Mami. Kasi pa ang vaccine na hindi pwede. Hindi ako. Hindi pwede ikaw. Ha ha ha.
May I see?
Ako. Pwede ako.
What's the puzzle about ba? May I see?
Pwede ikaw pangalan na.
How it's made. Matching puzzles.
Pwede
So look at this, oh, Bria.
ikaw.
Look at this. So from hen, mangingitlog siya ng egg, and then yung egg, magiging food.
Pasok tayo. Mami.
So you have to connect the colors.
Pwede ito.
No, different color.
Pwede ito.
Yes, find all the red ones. You have to sort it per color.
Pwede ito.
Yes.
Pwede ito.
What do you think?
Pwede ito.
What do you think?
Hindi. Pwede ito. Hindi. Pwede yan.
Put here. Put here.
Pwede yan. Pwede ito.
No.
Pwede yan.
What do you think? Are they same color?
No. Pwede ito. Pwede.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's same color. Kaya ganito.
There.
Nasaan?
There, oh. Look back. Near the corner. Oh, put the three puzzles together. Oh, put the three flowers together.
Ano na ako, Mami? Sabi dati, ito lang na tayo.
Oh, see? I told you. Okay.
Hi guys, ito lang ako kapatid. And also,
Dito ka. Oh. What are you doing?
ang kupit plastic. Plastic. Yung Mami. Tulong ako. Madami carrots.
Sino ba nagkalat niyan kagabi?
Pia.
How about this one first?
Hindi. Wala na yan naman.
This one. Professions.
Hindi. Kaya madami carrots.
Oh, fix ko muna ito. Clean up ni Mami.
Gabi si Daddy.
Po?
Gabi si Daddy.
Si Daddy yung nagkalat. Here you go.
Gabi, tuta ko. Yay! Si Mami open niya. Yay! Cynthia. Yan, Patty. Sabi. Tuta ko lang. Maku. Abay. Tuta. Abay, tuta ko. Thank you. Please open it, Mommy.
Oh, lift the cover. You can do it.
Hindi. Hindi kaya ko. Tuk-tuk mo yan.
This one, open mo. Mommy is opening this pa, oh. Oh, here you go.
Mamaya muna yan.
Wow, look at that.
Mamaya muna ito. Open it. Open it. Ano yan, Mommy?
It says geometric felt puzzle.
Ano ko yan, Mommy? Ito.
Similar lang yan dito sa Shapes Puzzle. Can you open the Shapes Puzzle? Dali. That is one of your favorite toy before. Open the Shape Puzzle. That's very colorful, oo. Dali. Let's open.
Oh,
Favorite mo yan before.
baby pa ako?
Gustong gusto mo yung laruin kasi so colorful.
Baby pa ako. Ayaw ko pa si fire. Gusto, baby pa si Ate Rica. Gusto pa si fire.
Ay, hindi mo nagustuhan yung pacifier? You mean pacifier? Hindi ikaw nag-pacifier noon masyado. Hindi din masyado.
Baby, ako, ano tuwi, haruan ko.
Madami kang toy nung baby ka pa. Mga rattle, ganon. Oh, open it, that one. You like it so much before. It has so many shapes.
Luna.
Hmm?
Hey, akin yan, Trey.
Yes.
When ako. You like it too?
Wow, wala akong makita. Pull out natin yung mga big cards. Let's pull out the big cards. There's big cards inside. Yay! There. There you go.
Meron pong aming kawawa, hindi karabaws.
O, dito, lalabas natin. Upo ikaw. Go back to your seat.
Magic. Mittens ko, Mommy, and mittens.
Ano meron sa mittens?
Those are for my mommy. Where the Oreo is sick? When the Oreo is sick?
Have a seat, have a seat.
Yummy. Hey, cheers. Mommy, my mittens.
Macy? I have mittens. Okay.
Try it. My mittens.
Oh, it will not fit mommy's hands. It's so small.
I know.
Kahapon, we opened about how it's made matching puzzle. Today, it's about professions. Look, there's a helicopter, there's a pilot, and there's a clouds. Wow! There's an ice cream truck, a chef, and an ice cream. What's this?
Hindi ba ito muna yung ice cream? Ito is yung ice cream crack, ice cream
Chef?
chip, and another ice cream.
Another ice cream. Good job. How about this one? Do you know what is this?
Umbrella.
Good job. How about this?
No.
Doctor.
Doctor.
And this one? Stethoscope.
Is it?
Oh, next, let's look at the next puzzle.
This one.
What's that?
bike, a wall, and awesome.
Awesome, that's a trophy. How about that?
Fire,
Abo, alam mong pirate.
fire, and kahon.
Kahon, treasure box.
Saturn rock. Fire truck.
Wow, you know what fire truck is? How did you know? Oh, what's this? Fireman.
Fireman and
Fire hydrant.
hydrant.
Good job. Oh, this one. Si Blippi. Ay, hindi ba yan si Blippi? This one is an excavator.
Ano? Ano yan?
Can you guess?
Bus car. Police.
Yes.
Pulpit.
Police equipment.
Police.
Good job. No more.
That's na.
Last na. Yay. Which is your favorite toy from these toys?
Yan. This one.
That one. Di mo naman nilaro.
Subscribe and tap the bell and explore where play meets purpose at Tinker Toys.